All right, so today's going to be a cautionary tale on repricing software and why you really need to understand repricing software if you're going to utilize it, and set some parameters or bars essentially so that you don't go too low on certain products. Now, understanding this is something I literally stumbled upon. I have repricing software as well, but a vast majority of my new books and new products that I send into FBA, I monitor manually for this reason. So I use repricing software on a lot of things, but for my new inventory, a lot of it, if it's like books or like high-end products that I'm sending into FBA, I like to monitor the prices and do it manually. So what I happen to notice on a book that I bought, as you can see here, and I'm going to do this really fast because I want to buy it, is literally, I bought Mosaic Spanish, a world language right here on eFlip for $39.55, right? The new price, as you can see here, is roughly about $200. So that's, the buy box price right here. Amazon has it at $207. Phenomenal profit margin of at least $150, right? If not more after fees. So I happen to notice as I was slowly dropping the price over the course of the last 2 days, as soon as I would do it, someone would drop the price directly below it, right? Directly below it. So they weren't matching. They weren't playing the game essentially, which I always recommend matching the buy box price. And this is exactly potentially why, right? So instead they would drop the price already below it, right? So you'll see here that this person has the book right here at $17.92 with $3.99 shipping and $132 tax. So essentially, I can get this for like 24, 25 bucks, or I guess that's like 22, 23 bucks roughly, simply because I happen to notice that they were repricing me right below, and I happen to notice, okay, I wonder if I drop my price all the way down to 99, are they going to match? And no, they dropped it to like 94 with shipping, right? So I was like, all right, you want to do that? Like, I want to drop the price all the way down to like 20 bucks and see if they match. And what did they do? They dropped it like 3 cents lower or whatever that ended up being, right? So what did I do? I dropped it all the way down, right? With the intention to buy their brand new book. And now I am going to buy their book super, super cheap. Literally raise my price back up to $207.73. And now I just got another book that I'm going to make $150 on just because this person was using repricing software incorrectly and not paying attention to their inventory. So, little cautionary tale. I'm going to buy this book right now and we'll flash to the next screen where I'll talk a little bit more about this. So now we're back on the detail page, and I just bought that. I just got a great new piece of inventory that I'm literally going to package up, send into FBA, and make 150 potential bucks on, okay? Now you can see literally the cheapest now is all the way back up to $208.97 because I repriced my book all the way low, so I knew that they were using repricing software and dropping it right below me. I dropped it all the way down to like 20 bucks, which I then purchased up at $23.23, right? So initially I found this book right here, as you see the two highlighted. So the one currently is an FBA, the one that I'm talking about that's about to sell. I bought this on the 16th, finally got into inventory, 15 days later with a big shipment. So I bought that for about 40 bucks, knowing full well that I could resell it back for above $200. So whatever that profit margin ends up being, let's figure that out really fast. I'll break it down for you. So we use the AMZ Scout calculator. We say that we sell it roughly for $208.97. I hope this works. It's been working recently, but sometimes it's a little shoddy. Of course, why not? So let's go into the FBA calculator right here. Still not working, and I'm going to pull this up for you. I want to show this to you because I want to show you the margins here so you see full hand, first hand, just how much opportunity there is if you understand these certain things, okay? So let's get the ASIN, or the ISBN, excuse me. And these are simple tricks that anyone can do, and I break down all these different types of tricks and tactics and strategies in my online Arbitrage Pro 3.0 course. Yes, 3.0 has launched. It's a third version. It's got about 10 different business models, all sorts of ways that you can utilize to multiply your money, literally like I'm showing you here, buying books super cheap, whether it's on Amazon or potentially it's on another website, as my dog in the background squeaks her toy. Killing me, Penn, but I love you. And if you guys want to take advantage of that and learn how you can also multiply your money right from your computer, like I demonstrate on this channel, I'm going to let 2 more people into the third version of the course for 50% off. So the first link in the description will be a 50% off discount link to enroll in Online Arbitrage Pro 3.0. So the first 2 people to click through that link, you obviously can get access to the course at 50% off. If you click the link and it just shows that the coupon is expired, it just means that 2 people have already claimed it. So the price here is $208.97, okay? So our item price is $208.97, and the ship to Amazon is going to be like 50 cents. Going to ship it in with like a big bulk, shipment with a bunch of books and other stuff right here. Our cost of the product was $23.23. So then our potential profit margin ends up being $146.72. Okay, so if I lied earlier by accident, I said it was like $150 or a little bit more. If I purchase the original one at $40, then it looks like I'm probably looking at like $130 or $140 profit margin. Still incredible, and that should sell out pretty quickly because as you can see here, it is 66,000 in books, so it sells pretty fast. So great purchase. I highly recommend that if you're using repricing software, you think about these things going in and you put stop gaps in place so that you're only willing to go down to a certain point so that people can't take advantage of you like this. So this is a hard lesson for the person that, potentially just did that, but that's part of the business. It's capitalism, and it's buy low and sell higher. Hope you guys like this lesson. Hope you guys like this video. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.